Hey, do you believe in energy healing? Hands. I went to a course last weekend, and I must say I am blown away. I can't stop thinking about it. I do believe in healing powers, but I never suspected that I would feel anything in my hands or an effect when I use this method. Let me tell you, the inside of both my hands was burning, like a really, really strong burning sensation. And so you can do, hands-on, touch the person. You can do a little distance, and you can do remote healing. And I could feel energy from a bad hip in form of, it feels like wind. When I did, it wasn't hands-on, it was a little distance, and if I moved my hand, I could feel that the best way to describe it is wind. When my hand was above the hip, and it disappeared when I moved down the leg. What? So that begs the question, can we all do this? And I asked the teacher, and he said, yeah, sure. But it's like in life, people have different talents. Some are good at football, or some are good at economics, or whatever. Yeah, I hear you. And I asked, will the effect be stronger if I practice? And he said, yes, absolutely. So I think I'm on a stage now in my spiritual journey where I've been amazed about all the weird stuff that has happened that I cannot explain, to more acceptance after this weekend. It's more like a realization that, yes, this is the way it is. And I'm still, I guess I will still be amazed about the weird stuff, but I won't be as surprised, and it feels more integrated into me now. Because the teacher said, hey, we're beyond weird. Weird is behind us. Yeah, and tomorrow I thought I'll share with you, because this teacher, I'll link to him down below. He said, healing is as easy as moving your index finger like that. And he was actually right. The main thing I did, and I guess most of the others did that weekend, was, I don't know the English word, but de-learning, is that a word? You take away stuff. You stop doing things instead of learning new things, and it's really that easy. So I thought tomorrow on the vlog I'll share with you his extremely easy method. And it started working straight away. I did some remote healing. He had planned this out with 12 people, outside in the next city or wherever. We all had just a name. Didn't know anything about the person. So, Terry, you're gonna remote heal Jan. Okay. And I did, and it's 2:15. He made arrangements that Jan and all the others were to, ground themselves, lie down or sit or whatever, and we would start at 2:15 with the healing, and we got feedback afterwards, text messages. And I think they all felt weird stuff, and also my client, Jan. What? So a new dimension is a strong word, but it's opening up for me now. Yeah, I just wanted to share that. Oh my God. Let me also share with you. And today I find myself here, this beautiful area, and over there is a hospital for people who has been in accidents and need to train to get back into, life. And suddenly I didn't plan this, I just drove, and now I'm here at that hospital, and started to think, is there any place that could need healing? And it's probably this place, but I don't think they use healers here. I think it's still too weird, right? But we remember, we are beyond weird. Okay, I'll share the method with you tomorrow. See ya.